Hello, welcome to Quick Tips Android. So today's quick tip is how to change a navigation drawer icon color in Android Studio. So to do that, you have to create a new project, and then first you have to create a navigation drawer activity. Right click new activity and select the navigation drawer activity. Now name your activity as like ABC activity. Now click on finish. This will create a navigation drawer activity like this. So whenever you click on the icon which have 3 rows, this navigation drawer will appear. So now you have a ABC activity. Now what you have to do is go to your navigation activity resource file. So click on this layout. You have to go to your activity -abc.xml layout file. Now you have to set a color here. So what you have to write is item icon print and give your color here. So this will change your icon color in your navigation drawer activity. Now run this application and you will see that the icon of your navigation view are changed. So that is it. That is how we create a navigation view activity, and also how to change the item colors in your navigation activity. And don't forget to watch how to create packages in Android and how to generate a signing report in Android Studio in my tutorials, and please subscribe and like my video. Thank you.